Good morning, students. We will start database management system, which is in your current semester. Before learning actual DBMS, first I want to talk about more on data, because you will get some idea why we should learn this course. So first, what is data? Data are raw facts which describes about a particular thing, place or a person, etc. So data can be represented like this. See, here some person details are there. These are what? Data, which are raw facts. 123 Rama 10,000. So these are the facts about a particular one person. Now, these data are raw facts, doesn't have any meaning till now, because these just are what? Raw facts. Now, if anyone asks how many persons are there, then we will, whatever the result we are going to give, that is based on the data, doing some process. Now, I am counting how many persons are there, like 1, 2, 3. Now, this 3 is what? Information. So, information is processed data. This information is generated after processing the data. See, data and information is both are different. So data are raw facts, information is processed data. So whatever the information is generated, that is based upon the data. Okay. Now, that information and data and the importance of data. Where actually the data is playing important role, that first we should understand, try to understand. Then in decision making, how that data will be playing a key role. These all things first we try to understand. Then you will have some idea why we learn this DBMS course. Okay. Now I will explain one real-time scenario which is involving data, information and decision making. Okay. Let me take one small tea shop business. That business in earlier days started with 10 customers. For example, 10 customers is having in earlier days. And some of the customers are paying money once in a month. So that shopkeeper can able to remember that 2 or 3 customer details in his mind. After some years, that business will be increasing. Now that business is having 100 customers. 100 customers. In some of the more customers are paying money once in a month. Then that shopkeeper cannot able to remember those many customer details in his mind. Cannot remember. Then he wants to decide that those customer details he wants to maintain on a book or a papers. Here I prepared some papers like this. So each individual paper belongs to one customer. In that paper he is maintaining the data. So these are the what? Data. Like Rama, Surya, Anjali and so on. Now in this way he can do his business. So it is a better approach when we are comparing with remembering all the details in his mind. Even if he forget, he can use or refer these papers. Now, if any one customer wants to pay money for this month, then that customer asked to the shopkeeper, how much money I have to pay for this one. Then the shopkeeper cannot give the information immediately to the customer. Why? Because by shopkeeper himself only, first he needs to find that particular customer asked name. So he needs to spend some time to searching that particular customer proper name. Later, so this is what now the processing is starting to give the information. The first step is now he is first searching for that paper. The next step is by himself only as a human being, he by himself only needs to calculate the data. See here, I am calculating for the studio customer 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Now this 4 is information. This information passed to the customer. Like this, if that information is correct, okay, if this is the huge amount of data, if you think like this is what huge amount of data, then if that shopkeeper doing some mistake while calculating this data, instead of 4, for example he is giving 2, then what will happen? He will get some loss. Like this, his business is running, then someday his business totally collapses. So here you just think about the value of data and the importance of data. So based on the data, the information whether it is correct or not will be generated. Now that information is correct, then his business is successfully running, or else that business will be collapsing. So here first thing, the data processing wise, first we need to understand the time taking process. So as a human being, he needs to find the particular customer name, he needs to calculate by himself. So here he take 1 hour or 2 hours to give information to the customer. So first thing, the processing time we should understand how much time it is taking to give the information based upon his having data. And second thing, very important thing, we must understand if these papers are missed or unfortunately these papers are burned with fire, then what will happen? Again, he cannot collect the money from all the customers, so his business got some lost. Someday his business will be collapsing. So here the importance of data, first we must understand. Then the data is playing an important role for any business. You take from small business to big business. Now here we should provide the security, and the data must be processed within the less time. So these two things we must try to understand how to solve these kind of problems. We will see in coming sessions. Okay. Now, what is decision making? See here, security, we cannot provide security if you are maintaining data in this way. You are following this system, paper management system. We cannot provide data security, and we cannot process within the less time to generate the information. Okay. Now I am taking a big business to understand more the importance of data. So this is one soap production company. So he is maintaining the data like year-wise. In the year-wise book, in each book, he is maintaining the data monthly-wise. Okay, so these are the what yearly-wise books. So these kind of data is called as what historical data. So here the data is increasing or not? So the data size is increasing. So huge amount of data it wants to maintain. And this is what historical. So from past 10 years or from last so many years is maintaining the data is called what? historical data. Why that business is storing historical data means when he wants to analyze, to take decision on this current year. So now we see the decision making based upon the data. Okay. Some is boss asked manager level persons, from last 2 years or 3 years our business monthly wise, how our business is going, those all things we should provide to the boss. Then again that manager people himself only manually find the book and again monthly wise needs to calculate by themselves, and finally they have prepared one information report. So these processing will take maybe 1 or 2 days, up to that chairman or boss is still to wait for the information from 2 days to take decision. So decision making also is delayed because of processing time is taking more. Now while calculating the data, by mistakenly if one person given calculated wrong, then instead of 35 calculated as a 100. So based on this calculated data only the information will be generated. That information is passed to the boss, then he took decision to produce 150 soaps. And what will happen? He will get some loss. Someday that business will be collapsed. See, if you take any business, the data is important role playing. The data is totally, if you are maintaining proper data, then you will get proper information. And the information is, if it is correct, then you can take good decision. So decision making also depends on the information. Information depends on the data. So that's why you try to understand what is the value of data for any business. So data is also considered as a asset for any business. So this much of valuable data we should maintain in a proper system. So here we have seen this is what book management system, this is what paper management system. So here we should observe processing time, how much time it is taking, and if we are providing the security or not. So how the approaches are day by day, how the systems are improved up to till now. So these all things one by one in next sections we will see. So before database management systems, if there are any different types of systems to maintain the data to successfully run their businesses. Okay, so we will see in next sessions remaining systems which followed in earlier business days. Thank you.